Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the benefits of herbs and supplements for weight loss. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your whole body, mind and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. Green tea, Camellia sinensis, and green tea extract contain catechins and caffeine, which may help with weight loss. Both work by blocking the creation of fat tissue and increasing the energy your body uses to complete functions like burning calories. Research on green tea extract's effects on weight loss shows mixed results, likely due to varying levels of catechins and caffeine in products. Most studies find that both components are needed for weight loss benefits, but the amount lost is typically minimal compared to other lifestyle changes. Green tea can be consumed as a beverage or a supplement. The recommended dosage for weight loss is unclear. A brewed cup contains about 240 to 320 milligrams of catechins and 45 milligrams of caffeine, while capsules typically offer 400 to 450 milligrams of catechins. Caffeine is a common additive in many weight loss supplements. It helps with weight loss by giving you energy, stimulating the central nervous system, increasing fat oxidation and fluid loss, and increasing the energy used in the body. Research on caffeine and weight loss often uses a combination of other products that may help with weight loss, making it difficult to say which types of caffeine and doses are best for weight loss. Caffeine can be found in many beverage products or taken by mouth in tablet or powder form. Herbal products that naturally contain caffeine include guarana, Polinia cupana, and kola nut, Kola nitida. Caffeine is considered safe in doses less than 400 to 500 milligrams daily. An 8-ounce cup of coffee contains about 100 milligrams of caffeine. Reported side effects with caffeine include nervousness, jitteriness, vomiting, and fast heart rate. Garcinia cambogia is a fruit-bearing tree found throughout Asia, Africa, and the Polynesian Islands. The fruit contains hydroxycitric acid, HCA, a compound believed to help with weight loss by blocking the creation of fat in the body and decreasing food intake. Garcinia cambogia is beneficial for weight loss. Studies have found that the supplement does not lead to meaningful weight loss, only helping people lose about 4 pounds after 4 months. More studies are needed to understand the usefulness and ideal dose of Garcinia cambogia for weight loss. Carnitine is an amino acid naturally found in the body and certain dairy and red meat products. Carnitine may help with weight loss by increasing the oxidation of fatty acids and helping you feel fuller more quickly. Supplementing with carnitine appears to offer some weight loss benefits, though data is conflicting. Doses of 2 grams daily seem to be the most effective, though more research is needed. Carnitine is considered safe in doses of up to 2 grams daily for 1 year or 4 grams daily for 56 days. Side effects reported with carnitine include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal cramps, and a fishy body odor. Chromium is a mineral that helps with metabolism and insulin's function in the body. It may also help with weight loss by increasing muscle mass and lowering food cravings and intake. Similar to other weight loss supplements, data on the benefits of chromium are conflicting. Chromium's potential weight loss benefits are minimal, with some studies only seeing 3 to 6 pounds of weight loss over time. Chromium supplements are available in multiple chromium salt forms and are commonly found as tablets. The recommended adequate intake of chromium for adults who are not pregnant or lactating ranges from 20-35 micrograms per day. Chromium is considered safe in doses of up to 200 micrograms daily for up to 6 months. Doses up to 1,000 micrograms have been reported as safe. Reported side effects include headache, diarrhea, constipation, weakness, irritability, and vomiting. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, is a product containing the fatty acid linoleic acid. CLA helps with weight loss by increasing the breakdown of fat tissue in the body. Studies on CLA and weight loss have found that the supplement reduces body fat and improves lean body mass over time. The results of these studies are too small to be clinically significant, but could offer additional options for people using other methods to lose weight. CLA can be found naturally in dairy products and meat from cows and other animals. It is also available as a soft gel supplement. CLA is considered safe in doses of up to 6 grams daily for up to 12 months. Side effects reported include abdominal pain, constipation, and diarrhea. Ginseng is a popular herb used to treat many health conditions. It is believed to help with weight loss by controlling appetite and reducing the urges for food signaled by the brain. Studies evaluating ginseng and weight loss in humans are limited. The few studies available also have conflicting information and do not offer a definite benefit of the herb for weight loss. Ginseng can be added as a spice to your favorite meals. Ginseng supplements are available in capsule or powder form. There is no standard dosing recommendation for ginseng in regards to weight loss. General dosing recommendations for ginseng supplements range from 200 milligrams to 3 grams daily for up to 12 weeks. Cayenne pepper is a chili pepper that contains capsaicin. Capsaicin can help improve metabolism, increasing the calories you burn and helping you lose weight. There are no specific dosing recommendations for cayenne pepper in weight loss, though some studies use doses of 2 to 4 milligrams daily. Green coffee bean extract contains caffeine, which is likely what aids in the weight loss benefit. The extract helps with weight loss by blocking fat tissue from gathering in the body and helping with glucose metabolism. Many studies in animals have shown that green coffee bean extract leads to weight loss. Studies in humans have reported that the extract does not have a drastic benefit, but does seem to moderately aid in weight loss. Turmeric is a spice commonly used in Chinese and Indian medicine. Its main active ingredient is curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is thought to help support weight loss by blocking numerous inflammation markers known to cause obesity. It is not well known if the spice is actually useful for weight loss, as studies have not provided a clear answer. Some studies found that taking turmeric provided minimal weight loss, while others have found that daily doses above 1,000 milligrams for 8 weeks reduced waist circumference. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.